Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Techie with RDC. So today we're going to talk about electronic plants. So without doing any deforestation, let's kick off today's video. Well, in this world, everything is turning into electronics. Nowadays, vehicles are electronics, humans are electronics, robots, and the brain is also electronic, which is called AI. And can we make electronic plants? It is not even impossible because everything is possible nowadays. So let's see what this electronic plant is. Well, plants are of various forms and they are always an integral part of our human life system, and they support us in every different ways possible. Plants are the primary source of food for us. They provide us oxygen. They take that carbon dioxide and convert it to oxygen. So that's how they regulate the ecosystem as well. Plants have non-speaking human-like complex organs that rely on the transport of ionic signals that will carry the signal to different part of the plants, and necessary functions will happen according to the signal. However, plants operate on a lower capacity and a slower time scale. This makes the study of plants and interacting with them very difficult. That's why scientists are developing a bioelectronic technology that will enable them to better understand how plants function and their biological process. Like we have electronic signals in our body, which we can measure using ECG. Similarly, plants also have some sort of electronic signals in their body that is flowing inside their cells. Augmenting plants with electronic functionality might make it possible to combine electronic signals with plants' own electrical signals based on their chemical process. Well, according to researchers, both analog and digital signal electronic circuits can be created inside the living plants, like even in flowers or trees or any kind of small plants as well. And they can use the semiconductive polymers to create such circuits. We have seen an experiment during our school life where we put a small plant in a beaker full of blue color water. So that's how we see how water is going from root to the top. We can see it. See, like that's how the plants are dipped in a water soluble polymer solution where it will drag the water to bottom to top. So that's how these polymers will get inside the plant's body and they will create a chain or a root where we can give the power or electricity, the external power. Well, we can give power to these external wires we got because of the polymer. We can use these electronic plants as sensors like motion sensors or temperature sensors or light sensors as well. Using these sensors, we can collect the data from the environment, which can be processed by the microcontroller, and we can give the respective outputs to it. And this can be a bidirectional path, so that if we send signal from the controller to the plant will respond. We can use this type of plants for motion sensing devices, like if we see some motion, then it can detect it and accordingly the device will work. Or we can use it as a home monitoring system where we can monitor the room temperature or motion or anything like that. Or even we can use it for communication purpose as well. Another big thing is, how can we supply power to it? Or can trees power these circuits? Well, a custom circuit can be designed to store enough voltage from a tree to run these low power sensors. Scientists have found that by putting one electrode in a plant and the other electrode in the soil nearby, then the plant can generate a voltage up to 200 millivolt. So that's why the research team wanted to advance their technology and they want to work on this research field so that they can create more power, so that they can run a small circuit or anything like that. And this is also not a very impossible thing, because we have seen in science exhibitions, like the student, they can generate some amount of power from potato or lemons as well. So why can't we generate power from trees? One of the best thing about this technology is plants are self-repairing and self-regenerating as well. So they are also available in a very huge scale, or we can grow them. If we use these plants as to interact with the electronic devices, then we can create an organic electronic ecosystem as well, because these plants will never create any kind of waste material. They are organic materials, so they will eventually get into the ground, or it will dissolve in the environment. So by using these plant electronic or electronic plants, we can create a better environment without polluting the current world. So that's all about our today's video, and if you liked it, then don't forget to click on that like button, share it with your friends, and if you have anything to tell me, the comment section is all yours. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I will upload a new video, you can get the instant notification. So see you in the next one. So till then, be cool, walk smart.
Thank you.